AI had changed everything. If you are from 2027 batch, then this video is going to be very much helpful because within very few days from June or July, they are going to start the on-campus. As last time, Virtusa and Mahindra Rise and many other companies started their on-campus from June end or July starts. So if you have not started yet, then please start preparing, and I'm going to share the best strategy to prepare. And you must have these questions like, is my CGPA enough, DSA versus web development, which one is best to choose, tier 3 to funk, how do I switch to these companies, and what's the best project for 2027, and how do I get noticed if I am from tier 3 college, and how do I build my resume, and do we need portfolio, etc, etc. So there are a lot of questions, and I'm going to share all the answers. And at the end, there's a very good news for you. Just to wait till the end so that you can aware of that. Okay, now I'll share all the things just before the guys. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and let me know which content you want more.
Hey, you ready for the future? Tekno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
Now the first thing is my CGPA enough? Okay, now I'll discuss this. Just before that, guys, you should know what are the companies which are going to hire from June. Okay, basically Persistent is the company which starts hiring before June or July, and then Cognizant will start immediate hiring, and sorry, Mahindra Rise, Virtusa, and after let's say after November December, Accenture will start hiring, and again Infosys, TCS, and lot of companies are going to hire, and Amazon SDE exam, then lot of companies, lot of fun companies, mang companies, etc, etc, are going to hire from June. So if you have a goal, then please implement that. Okay, if you have an objective, then implement that. Okay, and there are lots of experience which I personally have felt, and also the various candidates have shared their experience. I'll share those because there are a lot of things which has been changed last year, and this year can be changed as well. So now let me share all of those one by one. There can be some specific things for specific companies. I'll discuss everything. Okay, now let me discuss the first thing, that is, guys, if you have not started preparing for your aptitude, then you must start preparing for that. Why? Because let me share that last year what happened, there were total 20% companies who were not asking coding questions. Only they were enough, they're enough with the aptitude and your cognitive ability. If you are good at aptitude, verbal ability, if you are good at cognitive ability, then you are okay to join their companies, because there are a lot of non-technical roles present in their company, like SAP, like Salesforce, ERPs, and support. Also there are a lot of roles which are available, which have vacancies, so that they only take exam on the basis of aptitude and verbal ability and regarding your communication. Okay, now the next thing is 80% companies. What 80% companies are asking, let me discuss those. 80% companies are asking aptitude. Aptitude means all the aptitude. Aptitude means the verbal ability. Okay, I'm also including reasoning. Okay, I'm also including cognitive ability. Cognitive ability means, guys, there are a lot of things here, like gaming round. Okay, gaming round, I'll discuss about gaming round. If you have ever played Sudoku games, then you can play the gaming rounds. Okay, they only judge your cognitive ability there in the gaming rounds. Okay, in cognitive sections there are various sections like game based aptitudes also present. Also there are a few things we'll discuss later as well. Okay, now there are few things in aptitude sections, and after this aptitude section, numerical ability also there, guys. After this aptitude, you have the coding sections, which is being asked by 80% companies. Okay, so coding is very important. What happened last year, guys? People haven't even thought about that only DSA questions will be asked to you. Why? Last time on 2025, they have asked basic questions, but last year on 2026 a batch, they asked mainly DSA based coding problems. So, what I'll suggest you to go through all the 200 plus lead code problems, and you must choose one coding questions at least. I am suggesting from my end, please go through Java or Python. C++ is not considered in industry, which I personally experienced. So you can go through Java or Python so that you can sit for the exam. You can choose a domain after joining the company, and it will be easier for you to get onboarded. Okay, so that's my opinion. Okay, now the next thing is you have to know you have to know the advanced DSA as well to get the Fung or Mung companies offer letter. Okay, so that's the thing you have to know. After this coding, you have one thing that is common for all, that is communication round. Is verbal round or communication assessment, or you can say verbal English communication round, etc., etc. So this is very important. Communication round means there will be one bot, one AI bot or something like that. They will judge your communication using your voice, using your fill in the blanks ability or basic grammar. Like they will check if you are good at listening, if you are good at reading, if you are good at pronouncing. So these are all things they will check and judge. Okay, now the next thing is the interview. After this communication round, they will take interview. So this interview is very much important. Most of the companies take technical round and HR round along with managerial rounds together. So you must go through all of these. I'll share the resources, just to wait. Okay, there is a very good news for you about that, just to wait. Okay, now you may have some questions like is my CGP is enough for these companies? Guys, most of the companies consider 60% of marks throughout your educational journey. Okay, now if you have not these criteria, then what you will do, guys? 30 to 40% companies are present, including big MNCs, which who are allowing you to sit for their on campus. So please don't miss any opportunity. Like Accenture also, Accenture, like Tech Mahindra, and few other companies are there. I know they allow you to sit with lesser than 60% of marks. Okay, so please don't worry. Even if you have not achieved this mark, guys, please sit for the exam, sit for the placement drive, and give the exam. Then let's see what happened. If you are good at interview, if you are good at coding, then they might consider your application. Okay, now the next question is what's the best project for 2027? Guys, if you have anything, and if you just included AI, then there is nothing better than that. So please add AI. Just throw some AI on your project. That's the best thing which I can refer to you. Okay, even if you are doing electrical, even if you are doing mechanical project, just include AI, or just include AI in your website. If you are building something electronically, then also include some AI. That will be game changing for your upcoming placement drive, and it will be unique in the among your friends. Okay, now, do I need to build a portfolio? Yes. If you build and if you integrate that in your LinkedIn, then it will be better for the HRs to find you. It will be better to HRs about to get a complete knowledge about you, and so that they can judge you. Okay, So that's the this can be also game changing if you have built a good portfolio. Okay. And what's this question, DSA versus web development, guys, both are important, but if you are good at DSA you don't need web development, just DSA is enough. Just do DSA now and let the interviewer know that you are very good and the best at DSA, and there's nothing else which can lead your rejection. Okay. This will be the game changing, this will be playing a major role if you know DSA to get a selection in the interview. Okay, guys, how do I get noticed if I am from tier 3 college? Yes, always be active on LinkedIn and comment that there are a lot of HRs who always post about technology, who always post on let's say there are CEOs who always post on technology. So just comment down and show your strength, they will recognize you. This is the best thing. Also please attend some seminars where technical persons are present, CEOs are present, startups are present. So and yeah, these are the best strategy which I can refer to you. Okay, now the next thing is, guys, I forgot to say one thing, that is you have to prepare for the SQLs as well, because most of the companies will ask you SQL questions as well. Now the best question is how to prepare, guys. If you have basic knowledge in aptitude, basic knowledge in reasoning, basic knowledge in coding, then you must prepare through the previous year questions, interview questions, which is available at topmate.is/techno_uf. You can see this is the material which is available here. Here you will get all the interview experience, all the experience questions with answers. Also you can see all the coding questions, previous year aptitude, reasoning, and mock test. Everything you need to prepare for the upcoming drives all are present. You can see we have been recognized as the best and top 0.1% performer at topmate. So please consider this material, which will be very much helpful. And as of now this is the price, but if you are going through the link pasted in the description, you will get 20% off, and it's going to be very much helpful for you. And if you have any problem, then let me know, I'll try to assist you at Instagram. Please join at instagram.com/technouf. I'll try to assist you there. Okay, so please let me know if you have any issues with your preparation strategies, etc, etc. Okay, so this much of discussion is enough for today's session, guys. If you have any queries, then please let me know, I'll try to assist you. Thank you.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.